There's no telling how long Captain Hook's been here.
Well, if Hook's in the neighborhood, I bet he's behind all the strange sounds we've been hearing.
Skully, fly on ahead and scout the safest way through this jungle.
Aye-aye! Oops! Aye-aye, Jake!
Sharky Bones, watch it with the boulders!
Sorry!
Hook! His voice is coming from that direction. Butterfly Bluff!
Come on, let's go!
Wait, where's Skully?
Oh, no!
Who's the pretty bird? Who's the pretty bird?
Skully, look out!
Yeah! Who's the pretty lookout bird?
Not look out! Look out!
Look out! Look out!
Shiver me, Skully! He needs help!
I got an idea. Step lively, men. I, Captain Hook, am certain there be treasure yonder.
Whew! That was close! Thanks, Jake. I better give this mirror a rest.
Yay, hey! We saved Skully and got 4 more gold doubloons. Let's grab them and go, go, go!
No, there should be 2 eyes, not 3. Oh, and the nose doesn't look anything like mine. It's all wrong.
I kind of like it, Captain.
What? Those barnacle heads will never get it right.
Captain Hook, what have you done?
All the butterflies are gone.
Butterfly Bluff is a mess.
Ahoy, puny pirates! You're just in time to witness the completion of Neverland's greatest monument.
You mean the ugliest rock I ever saw?
Hook, you can't destroy Butterfly Bluff like this.
And who's going to stop me?
We are!
Afraid not, puny pirates.
Yeah, wait, Captain.